Hunt groups are used to route calls to a group of users. To access hunt groups, navigate to Function Numbers, then Hunt Group Numbers. Then select the hunt group you would like to configure. You can update the name of the group in this field here. Then below this, you can select which user groups will receive the calls from this hunt group. Note, you can select multiple user groups. The barring section is used to stop hunt group calls being diverted to a user that has configured diversion. As an example, if a call came into the hunt group and a user had a diversion set up to an international number, having the No International option ticked on the hunt group will not allow calls from the hunt group to be routed to this user. Please ensure that the No International option is selected, as this secures your phone system. Under the Distribution of Calls section, we have a few settings. We will start with explaining the distribution logic. We can select either sequential or parallel. If you choose parallel, then the hunt length is how many users the hunt group will call at once. This value is usually set to match how many users are in your group. The Call for How Long option is how long it will call all those users before the fallback number is initiated. If sequential is selected, the hunt length is how many users the hunt group will call at once. If these users do not answer within the specified time in the Distribute After How Many Seconds field, a second phone or group of phones, depending on hunt length, will start ringing after that time. Once the Call for How Long time has been reached, the fallback number is initiated. As an example, if I had a user group of 4 users and I wanted the calls to flow to each user sequentially and call them for 15 seconds each, I would enter 1 into the hunt length, then 15 seconds into the Distribute After How Many Seconds field. Then the Call for How Long value would be 60 seconds. Note, also the call routing for sequential is, if a call comes in and is answered by the first user, the next call that is presented will go to the second user. You can click on the Pick link to select the fallback number that will be called if the criteria above has been executed. You can also tick the box next to Forward Call to Fallback Number when closed, if you would like the fallback number to be used when the schedule on this hunt group is closed. If you would like users to be excluded from hunt group calls when they are set to a specific activity, select the activities with the tick boxes. You can also select the tick boxes to exclude users from hunt groups calls for set roles. Users that are on a call can be excluded from hunt groups calls if you select the tick box here. Finally, we can select which devices the users can receive hunt group calls on. Click on the Save button to save the configuration.